onlookers. The Hollywood sign, which you see behind me, is at about 1,500 feet above sea level. And whatever you wanted to call it, whether you called it snow or hail or grapple, people were just so excited to see it in person.
We are from Poland, and for us it's amazing. In Poland, it's normal thing. Then this weather is normal, but here,
I think it's amazing because not everyone can see Hollywood in this weather.
The weather in Hollywood this Thursday morning, not exactly out of central casting. It was bitterly cold and roadways slippery wet. And get this, it actually snowed. Sky Fox flew over the iconic Hollywood sign in the Hollywood Hills, famous for sunshine and palm trees. But Thursday, the landmark was surrounded by white, slushy ice on the ground, somewhere between ice and hail. You could scoop the slush up in your hands. By the early afternoon, tourists from all over the world continued to gather on the hillside, posing for selfies. When we explained it hadn't snowed like this since 1989, as you see in this old footage, they laughed and took it in stride.
On our way up, we did see some snow in like the hills, like coming up the neighborhood. Yeah, there was some snow that we saw, and some snow and some ice on the cars too.
I was looking forward to 80-degree weather, but
surprise, surprise.
Yeah.
How does this weather here compare to what you've got back home?
Well, it's snowy back in Denver, so almost the same.
It's very hot in Brazil today, yeah. So I'm happy to enjoy the cold weather here.
Coming back live here, it's actually really beautiful right now. Just some puffy clouds and the sun is shining. Now, we were very lucky because just moments ago, and we're going to show you this videotape, Justin and I were both sitting watching when all of a sudden this beautiful rainbow emerged. And it's always so extraordinary to see one of these. I think this one was especially brilliant. Hopefully you're watching it right now. And those always give you a sense of feeling lucky and, I don't know, very upbeat. So that was a really sweet moment. And like a lot of other people here, as I look off to my right, it was definitely an Instagrammable moment. I'm Laura Diaz reporting live near the Hollywood sign. And now back to you guys. I know you're a little bit jealous.
Yeah, what a great shot by photographer Justin O'Brien. Excellent work. Laura, thank you so much.